guys, it's Owami from Cool Info. We recently changed our name from The Best Info to Cool Info due to many people have the same channel name. So when people search for our channel, other channels pop up but not ours. I would like to thank Tando Kuhle for always subscribing and commenting on all my videos. If you want to be mentioned on my next video, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment. So today I'll be telling you guys how much Google has made in 2021. It was said that Google has made over $185 billion, and most of that money was made by the ad revenue. The ad revenue made Google an amazingly $150 billion. The founders of Google are Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Larry Page is worth $78 billion and he is aged 47 years old. Sergey Brin is an American computer scientist and also the founder of Google. He was born in Moscow, Russia. He is worth over $86 billion. Google has been named one of the richest websites in the world and has been doing nothing but good for itself, achieving even higher things. Google is definitely the best when it comes to information, like we are at Cool Info. I would like to thank you guys for watching my videos. Please don't forget, if you like, subscribe and drop a comment, then we assure you as Cool Info, your name will be mentioned on our next video. Thank you.